Need your DoorDash order number for support? It's easy to find within the app. First, open the DoorDash app and log in. Tap the profile icon at the bottom right of your screen. Then select Order History or your orders. Choose the specific order you need assistance with from the list. Scroll down to the Order Details section, and you'll find the order ID clearly displayed under headings like Order Number or Support ID. This alphanumeric code is usually 8 to 12 characters. Remember, keep this ID private and don't share it publicly. This ID is very important for support interactions, so they can pull up your order instantly. If the order is recent or in progress, it might also appear in the Active Orders tab. Now that you've located your DoorDash order ID, you can use it to quickly get help from customer support. Having this number ready speeds up the resolution process. DoorDash is also integrating AI-powered chatbots to automatically suggest your order ID during support chats, making things even faster. Looking ahead, future app updates might proactively show your order ID via push notifications for post-order feedback. You might even be able to use voice commands with smart home devices to access support using your order ID. Just remember that your order data is encrypted, and it's important to keep it secure. With these trends, finding and using your DoorDash order ID will only become easier and more efficient in the future.